This is a camper van door. This is a bay window style door. I've put a new bottom in there, and I've deliberately only welded. I've tacked it because these are spot welded to the thicker base there. And the problem is that you get a moisture build up in there, so I've deliberately left them slightly open so any moisture will come out, but they are welded together. The next problem was this corner, which I haven't been able to find anybody supplying them. This was pretty much, totally rotten. I've cut back to good metal, and I've fabricated these two pieces here. You can see the shape. To get the bend, I've slotted it slightly just to get it out. And this section here, I'll show you how they go together. This one fits in, and obviously that will be welded. That'll be welded into there and along here and along the top. That will just push in. And this one, which is pre-shaped, you can see that will go into there and slot in. Sorry, difficult holding the camera and doing this. Let's just put that one in and then slot that down, and you'll see that once that is tacked together, I've got the shape. Notice that this side is a different swage to this side. This is quite a shallow one. This one is deeper, and of course it curves round. This will all be tacked in. I'll weld these first of all at the top, get that, and then tack it, then weld it from the inside, and then do these welds here. I'll show you that. There it is, welded up, not welded in yet, but that will fit in nicely, and it'll all the door closed. That part there will be dressed in, as weld it in sequence, and that'll and then all of this will be flushed off properly. Well, that's it in place, just ready to weld in. That will pull in, and that will dress in. So I'll show you, do the welding and then show you later. Before I this U-pull weld through, I've sprayed the inside of it so that it's got a little bit of protection, as I did with this before I put it in. That's got a protective coat of galvanized. That's the corner welded in, and a bit of zinc on top just to protect it. The next thing is this mess at this end. You can get the repair kit for the bottom, but nothing for this end, so I'll have to